What's up, guys? It's Kingston Chambers here. Sorry about that. Welcome to another video. So this video, we are going to be reviewing the Nerf Elite Ruckus CS8. So this blaster is a top prime clip system blaster, but the clip is not removable. And this is another Elite blaster. And this clip has 8 darts, but it's not removable. So basically you just, and this is basically Hasbro saying, let's make, weird ergonomic clip system blasters. And I don't know about this one. This blaster, I played with it. It's pretty good, but just the weird ergonomics, But anyway, let's get to the objective review. So, is the grip. It's pretty comfortable, It's kind of like other Nerf Elite grips on the market right now. And then we got the priming handle, so it's not auto-retractable, so, you just. And then it's going to move this clip up, so, see that? So, you pump it, or top prime, and then it's going to remove the clip. And this takes 8 darts. So basically, you just reload your clip, and we're going to be reloading this with some Adventure Force waffles. But I'm going to say this blaster is just not that great. Like if you really want a good Nerf pistol, just buy a disruptor instead, because at least the disruptor is good. The disruptor is fantastic. At least the disruptor has a cylinder, it's not removable, but hey, at least it's better just, than a weird clip. And the Busby Jaguar, I ranted on that, but at least the clip is removable on the Busby Jaguar. But I think this is better than the Busby Jaguar because it does have more capacity, and the clip is not all stupid. So we're going to be comparing this to the disruptor, and and this clip is not removable, and this blaster has slam fire, so when you hold down the trigger, you'll be able to fire. So, we're going to be comparing to a disruptor, and like see with disruptor, you can, just get your cylinder and put your darts in, like, just buy a disruptor. It's this is fun, but this is basically telling, that, like, what? There's no reason to currently purchase this blaster. It's great. I love it, but, just for the majority of Nerfers, I don't recommend you buy the Ruckus, Ruckus ics8 Inline Clip System 8. I don't recommend you buy this because, there's way better options on the market. The ergonomics are very weird. You can literally just go out and buy a disruptor. Or, or maybe a surge fire. I don't know how I feel about this one, guys. But anyway, we are going to fire some Adventure Force waffles out of the Ruckus CS8 here. And the trigger feels pretty good. But we are going to fire some, darts out of the Ruckus CS8. And, we're going to see how this goes. So, 8 darts. We're going to fire flat shots. We're getting about Elite Standard Performance, about 70 FPS. Now we're going to do some slam fire. Yeah. Now we're going to try the disruptor. Much better performance. yeah. We're gonna fire some more, but we're gonna show you the range. So, this was from slam firing. See these darts? Those were from slam firing. These didn't go that well. That was one of the worst darts. Most of these darts were out of the ruckus. And then we have a big group right here. A big group of darts right here. Right. Got all of them. Yeah, we're gonna reload. Alright. And we're gonna do the ruckus all slam fire. So this should be pretty interesting. And the disruptor all slam fire. Alright, I'm gonna do the ruckus. We're gonna try to slam fire. We're gonna try to slam fire this entire clip for 8 darts. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. One of the darts got skipped. Yeah, this is a very inferior blaster and disappointing. I wish the clip was removable, so you're forced to reload this clip. There's just no current reason to purchase this blaster. If you're in the weird, fun little goofy blasters, it's fun, but for competitions and wars, definitely not. But that is my review of the Elite Ruckus CS8. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.